I want to explain asset properties. It means if you collect some asset and character, not character, but some object here, we have a lots of sitting here, okay? Or if you go to double click and go into its properties, we have other sitting here. That I want to explain it. But I record video for such these settings, asset properties and asset options here in buildbox 3, and it's exactly the same for buildbox 4. And I give a link to the description that you can access that and you can see that tutorials. It's exactly like buildbox 4. And I don't want to repeat that. Please refer to that video that's in description. Thank you very much.